Im Projektseminar Mediengeografie untersuchen wir den Beitrag vielfältiger Medien zur sozialen Konstruktion von Raum und Gesellschaft. Willkommen im Projektseminar Mediengeografie des Geografischen Instituts Bonn.
Well, I don't think that the social sciences can make any real contribution to that because I do not think that is the most exciting question that the social sciences have to answer. What the social sciences can do is to reflect on the relevance of that question.
Altogether, we are about 25 university professors from Bonn and Cologne, and also the Charité in Berlin, and we are all doing something about the question how African futures are produced and how this relates to social ecological transformation. So the key interest in this research is that we are looking at the social world and the ecology. And many people are doing studies on ecology, many people are doing studies on the social world. What we are interested in is how the two are related. Wir stehen hier am Alten Zoll in Bonn am Rhein und ich will diesen Ort nutzen, um Ihnen etwas zu erklären, Ihnen begreiflich zu machen, was wir meinen, wenn wir von der Geografie als einer multidisziplinären und multiperspektivischen Disziplin oder Wissenschaft reden.
Pescábamos cuando hay lago. Cuando se seca, no hay nada.
Sedai nabe ngop mera, sen mera nyamali. Sedai aba ora lari na sedai ora lamme na sin. Rasida na ba na nagara rime jiru na ara.
Junto a las nubes y a pocos kilómetros de La Paz, la pista de esquí más alta del mundo.
Muchos investigadores no pensaban que la degradación de los glaciares iba a ser muy rápido.
In order to have environmental justice, you really need to look at the distribution of water.
In the last years only, 25 countries have declared national emergency as a result of drought.
It's no longer nature that is driving global change, but it's humans. That's why we're talking of the Anthropocene as a new era in global change.
How can we actively engage with the causes and adversities of droughts on a planet more radically altered by humans than ever before? What's causing droughts in the Anthropocene and how to confront the risks and challenges they bring.
The threat is not so much the natural phenomenon, it is how we deal with it.